Neutral hold mode is a function that enables you to turn off the engine with the vehicle in the neutral position. While this function is activated, the vehicle can be pushed by hand, even if the ignition switch is in the off position. This can be useful in an automatic car wash. Neutral hold mode can be activated in any shift position. It's recommended to begin in the P, park, position. To activate neutral hold mode, ensure the parking brake is released. Depress and hold the brake pedal and wait 10 seconds. You must keep the brake pedal depressed through the entire procedure. Press the park button once, then the neutral button twice, all within 5 seconds. Place the ignition switch in the off position. The neutral hold mode indicator appears in the vehicle information display. Shift to any other position to exit neutral hold mode. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.